How to switch Instagram to a creator account. If any day you are an Instagram user and you have a very personal Instagram account, but you would like to switch it to the very creator account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi Fi connection or your very data connection as well. After that, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can tap on the Instagram application, and this way, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile section on the down portion and then to the three lines on the top. Now you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy. Now after you go to the settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of the creators tool and control and go to the option of the switch the account type. Here, since I've already switched it to the very creator account itself, so firstly I have to switch it to the personal account. So this way, if I switch it to the personal account, this way the interface will be shown like this. But since if you have already switched it to the very personal account, you do not need to follow these steps. If you have the very switch account itself, you can go to the very option like this and you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the option of the account status as well. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just scroll upward once again. And then what you can do is, since we would like to switch our very account from the very personal to the professional, we have to go to the option like this and then go to the option of switch the professional account. After you go to the option of the switch to the professional account, that is also the creator account, it will show an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until the very internet gets stable and then go to the option of continue like this. You also need to make sure what type of account it may be, the artist, the musician, or the brand. You have to tap on that and then go to the option of done like this. Now after you tap on the option of the done, it can take up to 30 seconds to finish your very creator account, that is your professional account. Now since you are a creator, there are two options. One is creator, next one is business. But since you are a creator, you have to tap on the option of creator and then go to the option of next and then go to the option of okay and go to the option of continue like this. Now like this, you can also see the interface like this, and you have to make sure that this way you are now a creator on Instagram. For this, once again, you can close it and then open your Instagram application, see your profile, and you can see that now you have become a professional on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.